Welcome yourself and do not be afraid of yourself. What you look like, what you sound like, what you are like. Strive to be the best you can be. Every day is a little bit better than before. Keep going because you are amazing. You just don't realize it yet. Anything that comes up for you is an opportunity for you to grasp it or choose to let it go. It is always your choice. Fantastic as it may be, you can sit here and do nothing because you are still a light shining bright. So let yourself shine bright. The brighter the better. So be joyous, be happy, do what makes you feel well, and slowly shed what makes you not feel well. Surround yourself with beauty, beautiful people, information, lights, sounds, fresh air, fresh water, fresh food. Slowly, slowly. You can do it if you want to. This one says there is no time, but there is plenty of time. If you want to get something done, you will find a way. You will make a way. Ask for help, ask for guidance, and it will be cleared. Your path will be cleared, and it will be easier because we are all around. We are all around. We surround you and we help you. We watch over you. There's nothing to be afraid of. Open up to the realm of mystery and possibility and joy and awe, wonder, amazement. Nothing to fear. Enjoy the beauty. Enjoy yourself. Enjoy life. Be a light to others just by having a smile on your face. That means taking care of yourself so you can smile.